In this video, I show you 5 things I ordered for our puppies from Amazon, but we only end up keeping 3 of them. Stay tuned until the end to find out which 3 worked for us and which 2 didn't.
It's gonna be so fun. Because it's pretty creative stuff.
Okay. Violet's stuff is just pretty.
Hi, welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. Today, I am unboxing some things for our new puppies. They are in this little pet pen that we got from Amazon. I didn't unbox that on camera. I wasn't 100% sure if we were gonna keep it or not. It's great because I can even step into it. I can literally step into it. It's only 2 feet tall. And I can also reach into it to pick up the puppies.
What you doing?
Yeah, so it's really convenient. But the one thing I don't like about it, I have a footstool here because this is a little wobbly and I'm worried the puppies would knock it over if they leaned on it. What do you think? Did we end up keeping the puppy enclosure? Or do you think I decided it was too wobbly and I needed to return it? Be sure to watch our video where we surprised the kids with their new puppies. They had no idea we were getting puppies.
Yeah, we had no idea, but Walter found it out.
He figured it out.
So it's okay.
Okay. So in here I have 2 things. Can you take the box down for me? This, I don't know if you can see inside here. I'll move the camera to show in a minute. But these are reusable pee pads is what they're called. But they really just look like pretty rugs. And I have those lining the enclosure that we have set up, the little playpen we have set up for the puppies, so that when, we're at work or at school or whatever and we need them to be somewhere safe where they're not going to make a mess in our house while we're gone, this keeps the floor clean and it's pretty. It looks really nice and they're washable. I already washed the ones that we already have and I like them so much. I decided to get a second set just like it so that when one is dirty or I feel like it's time to wash it, I can take those, put them in the wash and just put the clean ones down right away. So we always have a clean set. What do you think? Did we end up keeping the reusable puppy pee pads? Or did I decide that it was a waste of money to have a second 2-pack and I should just keep washing the ones we already have?
Mom,
all right.
Is this leashes?
It's a 2-pack? I had no idea.
Whoa.
Okay, so
it's a purple one and a pink one.
Violet, come here. In another video, I showed some harnesses that we got for our puppies. This is Violet, and her harness, she's a little trickster. She can get it off. So we got her a little collar instead, and I ordered the one Molly had picked out, but it turns out it's a 2-pack. I had no idea we were getting 2 of them. So we have pink and purple. Let me show you. And we'll try it on Violet and see if it fits her. Ooh, we don't need the bells. It came with some little bells, but I think that's more of a cat thing. Can you set these somewhere else? Okay, Violet, we're gonna try something out. What I thought I was ordering was this purple one, this purple collar, because it's all blingy and pretty. I had no idea I was getting a pink one with it, but that's amazing because those are Molly's favorite colors. In
Pink
fact,
and purple.
she loves purple so much that her puppy is named Violet.
Yeah.
Should we try it on her?
Probably.
Let's try on the purple one. It has, can you see the bling? Ooh. She is such a little puppy. She is not even 4 pounds yet. I think this is gonna work.
And her brother is even tinier.
We'll have her wear it around the house a little bit and see if she can get it off. Because we don't want to take her for walks if she can get it off.
Yeah, and
She
it's
can get the
around
harness
her
off.
neck.
What do you think? Look at that bling. Pretty?
do it, Mom.
Are you so pretty? Are you so pretty?
Are you so pretty? Yes.
I think it fits. I think maybe this will work. It could actually even be made tighter than it is. So if you have an itty bitty dog, I'll put a link to these collars in the description, but this is so pretty. I really had no idea I was getting a pink one and a purple one. We'll see how she likes it. She liked the harness okay, but it's just a little big for her and she was pulling her arms out through the neck. So when she's a full grown dog, it'll probably be good, but right now as a tiny puppy, it's just a little big for her. I mean, she's gonna be a tiny dog too, but yeah. All right, let's have you try this out.
Can I open the...
See if you get it off. What do you think? Did we end up keeping the blinged out collars for Violet, or was she able to get those off too? We have a couple boxes over here. Okay, so there's another box inside this box. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna keep these things or not. One nice thing that I really like about Amazon is if we order something and we open it up and we're like, there is no way this is gonna work for us, we can easily return it. So this
Oh my, amazing!
Gosh, it almost even smells like grass. This is fake grass.
Bleh.
It is a big thing of fake grass. I will, I'm going to open the whole thing up right now. But it's a pretty big thing of fake grass. And I got this thinking that we could put it on our patio because sometimes in the morning when there's like the morning dew or we ran the sprinklers, our pups' paws get all muddy. And I thought, well, maybe we should just have a non-muddy place for them to go potty in the morning. So we may or may not use this, but we'll see what it looks like. We'll see if we want to use it. Maybe we just open it up in here to see what it looks like. Violet, who just got the collar, she is a chewer and she likes to tear things apart. Like she likes to tear the pee pads apart. So I'm kind of worried she's going to tear this apart.
She also likes to tear out her brother's hair and his ear and stuff.
Yeah, but this is really big. I mean,
How big?
this is really big. That's half of it. That's half of it.
That's a
It actually opens up
half of it.
this big.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll put it down on the floor just for a second. So there's that.
That is enormous.
Walking on it.
One thing I noticed is some of the little pieces of grass are already coming out, so I'm not really sure how well made this is. We may not keep it. What do you think? Did we end up keeping the fake grass to put on our patio, or did I decide that Violet was going to rip it up? Okay, so one last thing to open up, and it is very similar to the previous thing I just opened.
I know what it's gonna be.
So this is
More fake grass.
more fake grass, yes. It comes with pee pads, not that we don't already have a whole bunch. And it comes with fake grass. Actually, there's a 2-pack of fake grass.
This feels better.
And I'm kind of hoping that this prevents Violet. She'll either tear up all the grass or we'll stop having shredded pee pads because the grass will be on top of it. There's also this grate to go under it. I'm not sure if I'm even going to use this. I may just put a pee pad under it.
Mom, I want to try this on.
It's supposed to have like I can see like there's some holes in it, so when they pee on it, it just goes through onto the pee pad.
Yeah.
But once again, I can also kind of see that some of the grass is coming off, so I'm not sure. So I am going to try this out and see what we think. I'm just gonna put a pee pad under the grass. And what do you think? Are the puppies gonna shred the grass and the pee pad? Or is this actually gonna work? What do you think? Did we end up keeping the fake grass to put over a pee pad in the house? Or did I decide Violet was gonna rip that up? I'll put links to anything that we end up liking in the description box. In the end, we did keep the puppy enclosure. It isn't too wobbly. We also kept the reusable pee pads. It's seriously great to have a backup set. Well, she hasn't gotten the collar off yet. We also kept the collars. Violet was not able to get them off. That means, yes, we returned both types of fake grass. I could already tell that they were going to fall apart before even letting the puppies try them out. Don't worry, we didn't return them used. The puppies didn't pee on them or anything. We simply took them out of the box, folded them up, and put them right back in the box. You can find the Amazon links for all of these products in the description box below. Even though the fake grass didn't work for us, it might work for you. As long as you don't have a dog that likes to rip things up. Like maybe not a puppy, maybe an older dog.
Thank you for watching Pretty Creative Stuff.
And I hope you like our puppies. And like and subscribe to our channel. And hit the like button.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.